Hello students, let's do rational numbers exercise 2. Exercise 2D is on page number 38. Question 1, evaluate, and as you can see we are beginning with multiplication. How do we do multiplication of rational numbers? We multiply the numerators and we multiply the denominators. Now if before that you can reduce it to the lowest term, you can do that. So let's begin now. Take the numerators 5 and 3. So we are multiplying 5 into 3 and denominators 4 into 7. So 5 3s are 15 and 4 7s are 28. So this is our answer, 15 by 28. Question 2. 2 by 3 into minus 6 by 7. So we'll multiply the numerators 2 into minus 6 and the denominators 3 into 7. Now we can reduce some of these numbers to the lowest term. Now how do we do it? By cancelling. In multiplication we can cancel. Now if you look and see, the numerator 6 and the denominator 3 are both divisible by 3. So I can cancel this. Now you can only cancel a numerator and a denominator. You cannot cancel two numerators and two denominators. It should always be a numerator and a denominator and a numerator wherever possible. So here we can cancel 3 and 6. Both are divisible by 3. So let's divide. 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. So that's all, we can't cancel anymore. So what we have done is actually reducing it to the lowest term. Now let's multiply the numerators 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. Now don't forget the minus sign that is here. So that minus sign has to be written. So don't forget that. So that is minus 4. And in the denominator we have 7. 1 7s are 7. So what is our final answer? Minus 4 by 7. Question 3. Minus 12 by 5 into 10 by minus 3. So let's write the numerators first. We're going to multiply the numerators. Minus 12 into 10. And in the denominator we have 5 into minus 3. So we can cancel whatever we can here. So we can cancel 5 and 10. Both are divisible by 5. So let's do that. Let's divide. 5 1s are 5 and 5 2s are 10. Now we can also cancel 3 and 12. Both are in the tables of 3. Now the minus sign is there for 3 as well as for 12. So we can cancel both the minus signs also. So this minus sign and this minus sign can be cancelled. And 3 and 12 also we can cancel. 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s are 12. So now in the numerator, what do we have? We have 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. And in the denominators, we have only 1 into 1, which is 1. So 8 by 1 is equal to 8. So this is our answer. Next one, minus 45 by 39 into minus 13 by 15. So let's write the numerators. Minus 45 into minus 13. You can put the brackets to make your work easier. And in the denominator we have 39 into 15. Okay, so let's see what we can cancel here. Now we can cancel 15 and 45. 15 3s are 45. So let's cancel 15 by 15 itself. 15 1s are 15 and 15 3s are 45. So here we have minus 3. Okay, so we have this minus 3 here. Then we can also cancel 39 and 13 because both these numbers are in the tables of 13. 13 1s are 13, 13 3s are 39. So let's do that cancelling also. So 13 1s are 13, 13 3s are 39. And here 13 has a minus sign, so we put a minus sign there also. So now we're going to see what is left in the numerator. In the numerator, we have minus 3 into minus 1. Let's multiply. Minus into minus is plus. 3 1s are 3. In the denominator, we have 3 into 1, which is 3. So 3 by 3 is equal to 1. So what is our answer? Our final answer is 1. Question 5. 3 1 by 8 into minus 2 by 5. So first let's convert this and write. 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25. So this is 25 by 8 into the other side 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So minus 12 by 5. So first step is we're going to multiply the numerator. So that is 25 into minus 12. And in the denominator we have 8 into 5. So let's see what we can cancel here. We can cancel 5 and 25. 5 ones are 5 and 5 fives are 25. We can also cancel 8 and 12. Both 8 and 12 are in the tables of 4. So we can use 4 to cancel this. So let's do that. 4 into what is 8? 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. And since we have a minus sign, we put the minus sign there. Now what do we have in the numerator? In the numerator we have 5 into minus 3, that is minus 15. 5 3s are 15. In the denominator what do we have? 2 1s are 2. So we have minus 15 by 2. So this is our final answer, minus 15 by 2. Question 6. 2 14 by 25 into minus 5 by 16. So first step, let's convert. 25 into 2 is 50. 50 plus 14 is 64. 64 by 25 into minus 5 by 16. So let's multiply the numerators. That will be 64 into minus 5, and let's multiply the denominators. 25 into 16. Now let's see what we can cancel here. We can cancel 25 and 5. Both are in the tables of 5. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 fives are 25. Now here 5 is minus 5, so you will have minus 1. Now 16 and 64 also we can cancel by 64 itself. 16 ones by 16 itself. 16 ones are 16 and 16 fours are 64. So what do we have in the numerator now? We have 4 into minus 1, which is minus 4. And in the denominator, we have 5 into 1. 5 ones are 5. So what is our final answer here? Minus 4 by 5. Question 7. Minus 8 by 9 into minus 3 by 16. So let's multiply the numerators. Minus 8 into minus 3. And in the denominator, what do we have? 9 into 16. Okay, now let's see what we can cancel. We can cancel 3 and 9, isn't it? 3 ones are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So 3 3s are 9. Now here there's a minus sign, so minus 1. Now we can cancel minus 8 and 16 both by 8 itself. So this is 8 ones are 8. So there's a minus sign, we put it there. And 8 2s are 16. Now let's multiply the numerators. This is minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus is plus. 1 ones are 1. And in the denominator we have 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. So what is our final answer? 1 by 6. This is our final answer. Question 8. 5 by minus 27 into minus 9 by 20. So let's take the numerators alone. So that will be 5 into minus 9. And in the denominator, what do we have? Minus 27 into 20. So here what can we cancel? We can cancel 5 and 20 both by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. We can also cancel minus 9 and minus 27. Since both have a minus sign, let's cancel the minus signs first. Now cancel 9 and 27. 9 ones are 9 and 9 threes are 27. So this will be 1 into 1 in the numerator, that is 1. And in the denominator, 3 into 4. 3 fours are 12. So what is our answer? 1 by 12. Question 2, multiply. So the first one is 3 by 25 and 4 by 5. So let's write that question down. So that is 3 by 25 into 4 by 5. So we multiply the numerators, that is 3 into 4 by 25 into 5. Now look out and see if there are numbers that you can cancel. Now if you look carefully, there's nothing that you can cancel here. So in that case, we simply multiply the numerators first. 3 fours are 12, and then we multiply the denominators. 25 fives are 125. So in case there's nothing to cancel, you can straight away multiply the numerators and the denominators. So our answer here is 12 by 125. Question 2. Now here we have two mixed numbers and we're going to multiply. So first let's convert. 8 ones are 8 plus 1, 9. So the first one is 9 by 8 into, the next one is 3 tenths are 30 plus 2, 32. So that's 32 by 3. So let's multiply the numerators. 9 into 32 by 8 into 3. Now see if there's something that we can cancel. Yes, we can cancel this 3 and 9 both by 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. We can also cancel 8 and 32. 8 ones are 8. 8 fours are 32. So now we have got our numbers after cancelling. Let's multiply the numerators first. 3 fours are 12. And in the denominator we have 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1. So 12 by 1 is equal to 12 and this is our final answer. Question 3. We have 6 2 by 3 and minus 3 by 8. So we need to multiply. 3 6s are 18 plus 2 is 20. So first thing we're doing is we're converting. So let's write 20 by 3 into minus 3 by 8. Minus 3 by 8. So here let's multiply the numerators. That is 20 into minus 3 and the denominators are 3 into 8. Now is there something we can cancel? Yes, we can cancel 3 and minus 3. So 3 ones are 3 and here also 3 ones are 3. Because it's a minus sign, we write minus 1. Now we can cancel 20 and 8. Both are in the tables of 4. So I can say 4 2s are 8 and 4 5s are 20. Now let's multiply the numerators. 5 into minus 1. That will be minus 5. And in the denominator 1 into 2. 1 2s are 2. So what do we get? Minus 5 by 2. Question 4. Minus 13 by 15 and minus 25 by 26. So let's multiply the numerators. Minus 13 into minus 25. So let's put these in brackets. Now what are our denominators? 15 into 26. So what can we cancel here? We can cancel 13 and 26 because both are in the tables of 13. 13 ones are 13 and because it's a minus sign we put the minus sign and here 13 twos are 26. Now we can cancel 15 and 25. Both are in the tables of 5. 5 threes are 15 and 5 fives are 25. There's a minus sign so we'll put it there. So now let's multiply the numerators. So when we multiply the numerators, what do we get? Minus 1 into minus 5. Minus into minus is plus, 1 into 5 is 5. And in the denominator, we have 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. So our answer here is 5 by 6. Question 5, 1 1 by 6 and 18 we should multiply. So first let's convert. 6 ones are 6 plus 1 is 7. So that is 7 by 6 into 18. We can give it the denominator 1. Now let's multiply the numerator. So that will be 7 into 18 and in the denominator what do we have? 6 into 1. Now what can we cancel? We can cancel 6 and 18. 6 ones are 6 and 6 threes are 18. Now is there anything else we can cancel? No, there isn't. So let's just multiply the numerators. 7 into 3. 7 threes are 21. Now let's multiply the denominators. 1 into 1 is 1. So 21 by 1 is 21. This is our answer. Sixth one. 2 1 by 14 and minus 7. So let's multiply. 14 twos are 28 plus 1. So what do we get? 14 twos are 28 plus 1 is 29. 29 by 14 into minus 7. Now let's give it the denominator 1. So now let's multiply the numerators. 29 into minus 7. And in the denominator we have 14 into 1. So is there something that we can cancel here? Yes, we can cancel 14 and 7, both are in the tables of 7. So 7 ones are 7 and let's put the minus sign, and 7 twos are 14. There's nothing else that we can cancel. So what do we have now? Multiply the numerators. 29 into minus 1 is minus 29. And in the denominator, what do we have? 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. Minus 29 by 2. So that is our answer. Question 7, 5 1 by 8 and minus 16. First let's convert 5 1 by 8. So that is 8 into 5. 8 5s are 40 plus 1 is 41. So that is 41 by 8 into minus 16. Now let's give this a denominator 1. Now let's multiply the numerators. That will be 41 into minus 16 and the denominators will be 8 into 1. Now, is there something we can cancel? Yes, we can cancel 8 and minus 16. 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16 and let's put the minus sign. That's it, we can't cancel anymore. So now let's multiply the numerators. 41 into minus 2, the sign is minus. 41 into 2 is 82. 82, and in the denominator what do we have? We have 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1. So minus 82 by 1 is minus 82. So this is our answer. Next one, question 8, 35 and minus 18 by 25. So let's begin by writing 35 into minus 18 by 25. Now let's give 35 the denominator 1. So now what is our numerator? We're going to multiply both, that is 35 into minus 18. And in the denominator what do we have? We have 1 and we're going to multiply that with 25. Now is there something we can cancel? We can cancel 25 and 35. Both are divisible by 5. So this will be 5. 5s are 25 and this will be 5 7s are 35. So now we have to multiply the numerators. 7 into minus 18. Now how much is that? 7 into 18 is what we must multiply. So 18 into 7. You're going to multiply this. 7 8s are 56, carry 5. 7 1s are 7 plus 5 is 12. 126. So in our numerator, we're going to have minus 126 because it's a minus sign. So let's write that down. So that will be minus 126. In the denominator, what do we have? 1 into 5 is 5. So what do we have here? Minus 126 by 5. Question 9. 6 2 by 3 into minus 3 by 8. So let's convert this first. 3 6s are 18 plus 2 is 20. So that will be 20 by 3 into minus 3 by 8. So let's multiply the numerators. That will be 20 into minus 3 by 3 into 8. So what can we cancel? We can cancel this 3 and this 3. Both by 3 itself. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 and the minus sign comes. Now we can cancel 8 and 20 by 4. 4 twos are 8 and 4 fives are 20. So now let's multiply the numerators. That is 5 into minus 1, which will be minus 5, and the denominator 1 into 2. 1 twos are 2. Minus 5 by 2. Question 10. 3 3 by 5 and minus 10. So let's multiply this. 5 3s are 15 plus 3 is 18. So that will be 18 by 5 into minus 10. And let's make it a rational number by giving it the denominator 1. So now let's multiply the numerators. We have 18 into minus 10 divided by 5 into 1. So here the denominators are 5 and 1 and numerators are 18 and minus 10. Now what can we cancel? We can cancel 5 and 10 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and there's a minus sign. So now let's multiply the numerators 18 into minus 2. 18 twos are 36. So that will be minus 36, and denominators 1 into 1 is 1. So what do we get finally? Minus 36 by 1 is minus 36. Question 11, 27 by 28 and minus 14 we should multiply. So that will be 27 by 28 into minus 14. Let's give it the denominator 1. So what is our numerator here now? 27. The other numerator is 14. So we're going to multiply these two, and in the denominator we have 28 into 1. Now what can you cancel here? We can cancel 14 and 28. So 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28. Now you can cancel it with 2 or you can cancel it with 7, but look for the highest common factor. So here 14 ones are 14 and 14 twos are 28. So this 1 will become minus 1 because we have a minus sign before 14. Now let's multiply the numerators. So numerators are 27 and minus 1, which is minus 27, and the denominator is 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. So what is the final answer? Minus 27 by 2. The next one, minus 24 into 5 by 16. So let's do that. Minus 24, denominator will give it as 1 into 5 by 16. So let's multiply the numerators. Minus 24 into 5. And in the denominator, what do we have? 1 into 16. Now what can we cancel? We can cancel 16 and 24 because both these numbers are in the tables of 8. So let's do that. 8 twos are 16 and 8 threes are 24. Let's put the minus sign. Now we can multiply the numerators. Minus 3 into 5 will be minus 3 fives are 15, and in the denominator we have 1 into 2. 1 twos are 2 minus 15 by 2. So the answer here is minus 15 by 2. So we will stop with this for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.